What's up, everyone? It's your girl Deja, and welcome back to another video. Y'all, I am so excited because I am doing a daily vlog. A lot of you guys have suggested this video, so it's finally here. I have to get my hair done today. I'm thinking about getting my toes done. I also want to go to Ulta to get some more makeup, so definitely follow along for this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, I got my hair done. I love it. Diamond snapped. I got a sew-in with a closure, and I actually got the bundles and the closure from Amazon. I get everything from Amazon, so let me know if y'all want me to link that in the description below or do like a review of the hair. But I definitely love the hair, so I am Thanksgiving ready. I need to head to the beauty supply next because I need to get some flexi rods. And then after the beauty supply, we'll do some more things. But definitely want to get some flexi rods to make sure that these curls hold. I am in the beauty supply now. Let's see if I end up walking with anything extra. The goal is just to get rollers, but I feel like I always get like a lip gloss or something. Let me know if y'all do the same thing in the beauty supply. It's just so much stuff. So let me go ahead and look for the rollers. Okay, y'all, so here are the flexi rods. Now I do need to get some that are thick like this. Now this one comes with 6, and this one down here comes with 12, which I wish I could just get this one, but the length of it is kind of short and like my hair is longer, so I feel like this would be the best one. So 6. I feel like if I get 3, that should be enough. I will hope so. If not, then I probably have to use like my other smaller ones, because at home I do have like the smaller purple ones, but I need something that is nice and thick, so I'm gonna grab some of these. I need to get a case like this for my flexi rods because I feel like I have nowhere to actually put them, because now I'm like starting a collection, but maybe Amazon has something similar to this. Y'all, I just love my beauty supply because they even have Dr. Bronner's. And let me try to sit this down so I can actually like hold you guys up. But I have never seen one this size. I feel like this would be really good for traveling. And this size is, I think, $6.99. And I also have, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to come here for when I travel, because I did not even know that they sold Dr. Bronner's in these mini sizes, because when I go on Target, that is definitely not there. And they have a whole bunch. Let me show y'all. So these are all the ones that they have, and there's more down there, and they even have like these gigantic ones down here. Like, I need to do my hygiene shopping here. Comment below if you guys would be interested in me going hygiene shopping at the beauty supply, because they have a lot of stuff here. But I am actually sticking to the plan, not only getting the rollers. So let's go ahead and check out. So now that I got my rollers, I'm gonna head to Ulta. I may also go to Target because Target is literally right there, so we're gonna see about that. On a side note, y'all, did y'all see Wicked? I got me a little Elphaba cup because I thought this was pretty cute, and it was only $5 at Target. Like, as you can see, then it has a wicker on the bottom. Y'all, the movie was 10 out of 10. If you haven't seen it, see the movie. I cried maybe like 3 times. Definitely cried. I've been listening to the soundtrack like every day since I've seen it, so I love it. I want to kind of see it again, honestly, because it was just that good. And even though it was one of those longer movies, like I could have sat there for another 2 hours for part 2. Like when part 1 was over, I wanted to see part 2. But anyways, that's just me going on a little bit of a rant about Wicked. But let's go ahead and head to Ulta because I need to get some more makeup. I am in Ulta and they got the Christmas music playing. I first want to look at e.l.f. for some concealer because I would like to use their concealer literally as foundation. I will put it over all of my face, so I need to get some more of that. I honestly forgot my shade, so we're gonna see if we can figure that out. Okay, so here are the e.l.f. concealers. So I already have a hydrating satin finish, but honestly I want more that's mattifying. I think this is it right here. This deep cinnamon, or it's either deep chestnut. One of them. We're gonna like see which one. So they only have the deep cinnamon. I think this is my shade. It may be the chestnut. Sometimes Target has this as well, so I may take a peek there. But I do need to get some more primer, so I'm gonna look for a primer. Now this is the primer that I like to use, the Power Grip Primer. It's only $10 by e.l.f. I love e.l.f. honestly. It's like a nice affordable brand, so I'm gonna grab this. And next, I'm gonna grab some mascara. I love getting this mascara. I have the waterproof one, but I need some more of this green one. And it's only $4.99, and this is like literally one of the best affordable mascaras that I've had. They also have a lot of holiday things up as well, and like some fragrance gifts. So they have one with Marc Jacobs with Perfect and Daisy. I love Perfect. I need to smell Daisy, but I have Perfect and I love it. So this is a nice little set that they have. I've really been wanting this Valentino one, and this is what it comes with. I'm gonna wait though, because I'm hoping that somebody would just give me it for Christmas. So, but I love the way this one smells. So I literally got everything that I need, just 3 products. Feel like we're being budget friendly, but literally I just needed this stuff because I ran out. I do want to look for like new makeup, but today is not the day for that. So I am in Target, and I do see a bunch of e.l.f. Let me show you guys. So Target is dang near more stocked up than Ulta, but I was trying to see what shade I was, and now like actually looking at, where is it at, the deep chestnut. I'm pretty sure I got the right one, because, and I did not do this y'all, but this one is like very light, so I think I got the right one in Ulta. So I think I'm gonna stick with that. But they seem like they have a little bit more going on, and they do already have some deals going around for Black Friday, and it's only Wednesday, which is great. They do have some nice makeup bags. I saw this last year, and I really wanted to get it because it has like different pieces in here, and I think it's just actually really cute. But it's $35, and I feel like Amazon would definitely have stuff that is cheaper, but it is really cute. And they have some other ones down here, along with some brushes as well. So the next section I'm in is the clothing section. So I want to show you guys some of the sales that they have. As you can see, they have some 30% off sales for Black Friday. I'm not really seeing too much though that I want, so let me keep looking around. Now these sweats I love by Target. So I actually have these ones right here. I wore them in my last video. They are so comfortable, and they're actually pretty long. They are tall girl friendly, which is nice. So guys, for once I'm actually gonna walk out of Target with nothing. I'm proud of myself, but I really was just looking at the makeup and seeing what they had in here. I was here literally like twice, I feel like within the last week, so it was nothing too much that has changed. But I'm gonna go ahead and head home because I don't even feel like getting my feet done anymore. I feel like once it gets dark I get sleepy. I may get something to drink like Starbucks or something, but I'm gonna head home and talk to you guys when I get back. So you guys, I am back home and I am tired. I didn't even do that much. Like I literally just got my hair done and went to a few stores, but I guess I also did vlog. But like in reality, I feel like I didn't really do too much, but I am tired. And I feel like anytime the sun just goes down, it's like, okay, it's bedtime, but it's not bedtime. It's 7 p.m. But I'm back home and my room is literally a mess. So that's what we're gonna do next in this vlog, is do some cleanup. So you guys, it is time to clean. Usually my room does not get like this, and you may say like, oh, your room is fine. Like it is stuff literally everywhere. You cannot see the whole room right now, but I had to get ready fast. I've also been doing some traveling, so like some stuff I still just need to unpack. I also have like this package from Shein. Let me know if you guys want a haul, because I did get some items. These jeans are from Shein. A quick little story: I had an order and half of it got lost, so like this came, but the other half, this is the other half, but I actually had to reorder it. Contact Shein because my stuff just got lost. Never came. And it did annoy me, not even gonna lie, because I feel like lately Shein has been tripping. I don't know if y'all been having some issues with their shipping, but I've been having like multiple issues with their shipping, which has been pissing me off. But you know what, it's okay. Got this stuff. But once again, another order of me just reordering that order that got lost. Half of it came later, and they claim like there was an attempt for delivery. There shouldn't have been an attempt. It should have been delivered. Like it should have been no issue, but whatever. I think it's here now, I think. But this is one of the packages. I think there's another one that my mom grabbed for me, but Yeah, but enough of this yapping. It is time to clean. Like, I got wig boxes, lotion still out. This lotion is great, but let's get to cleaning.
Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior.
So I moved over a little bit. So I have like a pile of clothes. I don't know about y'all, but like my least favorite thing is to hang up clothes, put away clothes. Still have this backpack for when I run away. Like, I like cleaning, like, I don't mind like cleaning the bathroom, like things like that, like deep cleaning. But like when it comes to like putting stuff away, sometimes it's annoying. Also, I feel like it's annoying because I need a dresser still. So I think that's really what it is. Like, I just do not have enough space right now currently for all of my clothes. Like, the closet is not enough. Like, when you live in Chicago and you get all the seasons for real, it's just a lot going on. And I feel like I just need more space. And I've tried to like organize my closet. I just really need to get this dresser, which I plan on getting very soon. So I think that will help me because my closet is like packed. Like, each time I try to hang up something, it's like squeezing up in there. So yeah, that's my little rant about why these clothes are everywhere. But let's put some of these clothes away. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm tired. I am tired. I don't know why. I feel like it's just like me running around and then just trying to come here and clean. I feel like it's too much back to back. I feel like I need a break. I'm trying my hardest to clean right now. But I even put on the sweatpants to get a little bit more, you know, comfy. We're making progress though. I feel like a lot of the clothes are put away. So just like a little bit, some other things like, hold on. Like this needs to be put away. I know y'all probably like, gasp, like what is going on here? I mean, the wig probably doesn't be washed and like blow dried. But this was like the other wig that I had, which now that I like putting it up to this, I guess this was a pretty big difference. Like this is pretty like jet black. This one, while it is kind of like black, I feel like it's more like of a lighter tone there. Which, I'm trying to see which color do I like. I feel like the jet black like really does like stand out though. And I'm not even one for jet black hair, but I've been feeling it low key. But this was actually a very cute wig. It's looking crazy, just dangling around like this right now. But this was from, I think, Eunice. I think this is one of their glueless wigs off of Amazon. But it's still great to wear. It just needs to be washed. Like, I'm definitely gonna wash it, but need to put this away. I honestly need to get something better to just store my wigs because I just keep the boxes and like put it back in the box and like the boxes are just stacked. That's not really being storage friendly though. Like I need to find something that's more storage friendly. Maybe just putting it in like a Ziploc bag, writing on it, and then putting it like in a bin or something because these boxes are taking up like too much space on the top shelf of my closet.
Girl, just do that shaking thing you do. Grab the girls and you grab a couple more and you all meet me in the middle of the floor. Said the air is thick, it's smelling right, so you pass to the left.
Okay, y'all, so this is what the room is giving. We got the tree over there. There's still definitely some things that I need to clean. For the most part, I feel like my room is good. I just need to organize some things that are like outside of my room, like the package, like I said, some other things that has not been completed. But overall, like the room is looking pretty clean. I honestly just wanted a clean space for when I just sit my booty down and relax. And after I'm done relaxing, like off camera, I probably will do some more cleaning. But if you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure to thumbs up this video and also comment below and subscribe to my channel. This was a fun video. I feel like this was different than some other videos I've done before. A lot of people wanted a day in the life vlog and it was fun filming it. I feel like there's definitely some other things I can record. I'm thinking of doing like a Chicago series or diary series because I go to Chicago pretty often and it's fun. So I am definitely thinking about doing something like that. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want to see that. But Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.